Third type, to find the partial fraction when the denominator contains a quadratic factor not resolvable into linear factors. Now, if denominator of second degree is not resolvable into linear factors, then corresponding partial fraction will be, the partial fraction will be written as ax plus b upon ax square plus bx plus c. Okay. Or now suppose we are having px square plus qx plus r upon x minus alpha and ax square plus bx plus c. And ax square plus bx plus c cannot be factorized. So then what we are writing? We will be writing a upon x minus alpha plus bx plus c upon ax square plus bx plus c. So we have to move like this. If it is 1, then we will be writing 1. If it is 2, then we will be writing ax plus b upon the denominator plus cx plus d upon the denominator, like this one. Okay. Now suppose we are having whole square. So what we are going to do for this part? We will be writing a upon ax square plus bx plus c, sorry, ax plus b upon plus cx plus d upon ax square plus bx plus c whole square. So like this we have to move it.